love me some passion twist, short one like this. Don't you just love yourself some passion twist? If you want to see how I did this, stick around to the end of the video, because I'm going to show you step by step on how you can achieve this. So let's get right into this video. So firstly, we'll grab your crochet needle, open it, slide it through the root of your hair, and then you take the passion twist and then you put it into the crochet needle, close the latch hook, and then you pull it out to the other side. Put your index finger and then your thumbnail into the loophole, and then grab the other end of the crochet hair, and that's all there is to it. I'm going to do it again so you see it, in case you didn't get it the first time. So I'm just going to insert the crochet needle to the root of my hair. I'm going to put the passion twist into the latch hook, close the latch hook, pull it through to the other side, remove the latch hook, and I'm going to use my thumb and my index finger to put through the loophole of the hair and pull the other side of the hair through, and that's it. I'm doing it again for the third time, because I really want you guys to get it. If you get it once and that's it, you'll be able to do it by yourself, because it's really very easy. So you just put the hair through and you just drag it to the other side, and that's it. So I'm going to finish the other part off camera, and I'll show you how to do the closing parts. The pattern, so it looks like it's individual braid. You see, I'm sorry. You just grab your hair like this, and where you want the pattern to end, that is where you slide your crochet in. Can you see? I slide it into this one and then connect it to the next one, and then put the hair, close the latch hook, pull it through. This time we're not going to single knot, we are going to double knot it. One, turn it around, and another one, like so. So this way you've closed your pattern. You can actually style this hair multiple ways. You can style it this way, you can change it this way, half parts, you can put it in the middle. Where's my middle part? Like this, and you can just push everything upwards like this. It's looking like single installments. Actually, this is crochet hair. I just love the versatility of this hair. Versatility. Versatile. I just love the way the hair is versatile. You can change the style, you can do different styles with it, though. And this is a very good protective hairstyle because it's not tight. I can wear this for a very long time. In the middle, you can have the middle pattern like I did. You can have the side pattern like this. I just love the length of this hair. I just love it. So thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Okay, so it's still your girl Belinder, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then,